Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo Smart Hub. This one is the Tapo H200. So basically you can connect to Tapo devices. As you can see here, I have a Tapo camera. So basically I can use the camera and record here on the hub if I want to. And also I can use the contact sensor, smart motion sensor, and other Tapo devices. All right, so pretty good. Let me just open it here. I just got this from Amazon. I trust Tapo devices. Here we go. Here's the hub itself. We come here inside of a plastic. It comes also with the quick start guide, a power adapter, a cable just to connect to the router. So it's an Ethernet cable. And here something that can reset your hub, right? So super simple. I'm just remove everything from the plastic. Here's the power supply. And then the hub itself. There we go. You see here the Tapo logo and a speaker. Basically, you can use this as a chime. And here sync button, so you can sync this device. Power connection, LAN connection, so you can connect to your router. A reset button. And here you can insert your microSD card. Okay, pretty small, pretty simple, but that should work with my device, right? So I will test this in another video. This one is just for unboxing, okay? So it comes with everything that you need for the installation. Usually you just need to use this cable for the first installation, this accessory to reset when necessary. And here you can just read the smart guide. And here's all the information. You see, you just connect the hub here with the power supply, connect to your router, and you download the app for the installation. So super, super simple, and you can just use that way. So I hope that helps. You can get yours on Amazon. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.